Thank you guys so much for joining me. Today we are going to do a very quick, about 5-minute chakra meditation where we are just going to quickly align things. I am a single mom. I work full time. I know it's really hard to find 5 minutes in the day. If you don't have 5 minutes right now, that's a-okay. If you want to go ahead and save this video and return to it later when you do have 5 minutes, it definitely helps to recenter, refocus, and re-energize. The first thing that we want to do is find a comfortable spot. So whether that's sitting down, laying down, anything standing is totally fine too. We just want to sit there. We want to connect with the earth below us, and we want to connect with the light above us. We're going to start here at the root chakra, and we are going to imagine with 3 deep breaths, every inhale that we take is going to be full of white light, healing light, and love that is meant for our highest good and the good of all others. With every exhale, we are going to get rid of anything that's stagnant, anything that no longer serves us, anything that is not of love and light and not for our highest good and the good of all others. I use my hands around the chakras that I am currently working with. It's just something I like to do. You definitely don't have to do it, but that's the way that I work with mine. So here we're going to move on to our sacral chakra. It is just about 2 inches below the belly button. And we're going to do the exact same thing that we did with the root chakra. 3 deep breaths. With every inhale, it is a white light of love and light that is meant for our highest good and the good of all others. And with every exhale, we are getting rid of anything that is stuck, stagnant, anything that no longer serves our highest good and the good of all others. Good job. Next, we are going to move on to our solar plexus chakra. You're going to find that right at the base of your rib cage, right in the center, and usually there's a little divot there. So you can feel that. Go ahead and hold your hands on it if you're doing the hand technique. Same thing with the last chakras that we did. Same thing that we did with the others. We're going to take 3 deep breaths. Inhale all the good, love and light, everything that's meant for our highest good, and exhale all the opposite of that. We don't want any of that stuff around. Okay, so next we're going to move on to our heart chakra. Heart chakra is a very important one. They are all important, but this one connects our spirit with our human selves. So this one is very important, and this one is out of whack on a lot of people. We've all had heartbreak. We've all had true love. There's so much that can just happen where things can get built up here. So if you need to spend some extra time on this location or on any location, take a couple extra breaths and imagine that white light filling up. And I like to wiggle out after this section too, just to kind of wiggle anything out that's still stuck. So next is our throat chakra, and there's a couple of ways, a couple of different hand positions that I like to use. The first one is I like to just put some pressure near my collarbone. It just kind of helps. I really like the hand movements. The other one is you can place your hands around the sides of your necks. Obviously, if anything on your neck triggers you, please don't touch. Don't do anything that you are uncomfortable with. Stay within your comfort zone and listen to yourself and your needs and what makes you feel comfortable. Okay, next we're moving on to our third eye. So our third eye can get clogged up in several different ways, but one of the ways is just moving through daily life and not tuning into our intuition and to signals and signs that we get. So that's a good one to make sure that you cleanse very frequently. Okay, another wiggle out. I do that a lot. And then we are moving on to our last chakra now. We are almost there. You guys are doing great. This is our crown chakra. So this is where we are connected with the divine. Whether you believe in God, angels, spirits, whatever your belief is, this is where we are connected to the higher power. This is where we need a clear channel to make sure that we are living our best life. So this is a great one to work really hard on keeping clean and healthy. And the most important thing to do after you do any kind of meditation is to ground yourself. This is my favorite technique, especially when I'm outside. I really like to just sit and take some deep breaths and touch the ground. This is very important in this moment to express your gratitude for the moment that you've been able to find to realign yourself, and just say how thankful you are. You can say a prayer here if you'd like to. Definitely, whatever you believe in, just make sure you express your gratitude for the moment. And as always, hydrate. Thanks, guys.